નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, few sentences we have completed. And today I give you few more sentences for the practice. And this practice, with this practice only, you would be able to go ahead with the clear concept. Few varieties I have given here, and you will pay attention on those varieties. Somewhere else you will go for the negation with a phrase, and somewhere else you will go for a simple negation with tense. Few sentences I'll read first so that that would be easy for you. Or you will do one thing, you will have a screenshot with these sentences, and you will try it at your leisure time. In this lecture only I'll give you solutions, how it is, why it is, that also I will discuss with you. One by one I read all the sentences. The poet was not in mood. When you are going for affirmative into negative, negative into affirmative, you will keep it in your mind. First of all, you will go with the opposite sense of given sentence. Opposite sense is equal to negative sense here was not. And from this sentence you will find out which word or words you can replace for another opposite sense. In this way, with two opposite sense, when you will use here one opposite sense and another opposite sense, you will go for one positive sense over here. Okay. Next to that, I was hardly in time in the morning. Next to that, the students never remained speechless. The students never remained speechless. Next to that, the king did not allow ministers to enter. Here I would like to enter one word, and that is any. The king did not allow any ministers to enter. This change you will keep it in your mind. Next to that, I was not present there with my mind. I was not present there with my mind. Last time also you had asked me your doubt about this present and absent. To clarify that only, I have selected this sentence for you. Next to that, I could find only my pens on the table. This is a special variety of only, where only is used in a sentence. What kind of cares you will take and think, that you will pay attention over here. And next to that one, only, once again only structure is there. Only students enjoyed lockdown happily. These many sentences I give you. You do one thing, you try to solve all these sentences separately, and then afterwards I'll be here with you to answer and to solve it. Pay attention there. Whenever you have any doubt or any ambiguity regarding the solution, you can ask me in my lecture. You see here what's there for these sentences, that we will come to know. You see here, first sentence I have given to you for the solution. The poet was not in mood. This is the given sentence. You see here what you will think. First of all, you will concentrate on the given sense, which sense is given at the time given sense is positive, that you will think. Now next to that one is a phrase in mood. In mood is equal to happiness. Based on this you will go for the transformation. So that given is was not, that is converted into was. In mood is converted into out of mood. In this way we have given here two opposite sense. These two opposite sense, if we have given, that two opposite sense will give the given sense what is given in the sentence. Because the ultimate reality for the transformation is what? The total target meaning of the given sentence should not be changed. And the same thing we have done over here. Once again, the poet was not in mood. Given is in negative sense. Given sentence is in negative sense. We have to convert it into positive sense. Yet the total target meaning of given sentence should not be changed. And so that the poet was out of mood is the transformation of this. When you were in lower standard at that time, it was told to you that convert affirmative into negative. The poet was not in mood, and you will simply remove this not, and the total answer would be the poet was in mood. If you will convert it here, then that would be the wrong answer for you. So that this thing, she will keep it in your mind. This is the solution for the first sentence what I have given to you. Now we will move ahead with the second one. You see, I was hardly in time in the morning. The same phrase you had asked me in your doubt session also, so that I clarify it here. I was ever in time means what? Out of mood in the morning. Suppose that if you have transferred this sentence into this one, then your answer is wrong. Why is it so? What is given in the meaning? I was hardly in time in the morning. The total target meaning of the given sentence should not be changed, so that this sentence is with the same one. I was ever out of time in the morning. What's wrong with that? That is a wrong idea. Why is it so? Given verb is with the positive sense. You have not kept this one in positive to negative. You have kept as it is in positive sense, and so that this positive sense will make this answer wrong. Then what is the correct answer? The correct answer is I was not in time. See here, I was not in time. Often, mostly, whatsoever you will use, that will do here. But I was not in time is the right transformation. Why is it so? Because given sense is in positive sense, that you have converted into negative. It means was into was not. In time, you have kept as it is. I was not in time. What's given here? Hardly. You have given opposite with the hardly, and that is often or mostly. It means I was not in time often or mostly in the morning is the correct answer with this sentence. So far as total target meaning should not be changed. If you will think for that, this is the correct answer. But basic idea, negative sense or opposite sense of given sentence, and it should be according to given tense, that you have not completed, so that this is the wrong sentence and this is the correct sentence. Got the idea? Now we will go for the next one. The students never remained speechless. You see here, given sentence is here with the never, so that the total given sense is negative only. Now we have to convert negative into positive. Whenever never is given, one thing is there. If you will write ever, your 50% of problem will get solved, will be solved. So that the students ever remained speechless is converted into remained noisy. Opposite of speechless I have given here noisy. So that never to ever, this is one negation, speechless to noisy another second negation. So that 2 times we have converted this one. So that what is given sentence, that is with the same conversion, with the same sentence meaning, because total target meaning of given sentence should not be changed. Got the idea? Once again, given is negative sense, we have converted negative into positive, yet the total target meaning of given sentence is not changed. This is the right answer for affirmative into negative, negative into affirmative. Once again, we will move ahead for the next sentence. What's there? A little bit change I had made over there. When you were in 7th and 8th standard, at that time in English only, you have completed this, that wherever word any is used, this word any will be always with the negative sense, or if it is not in negative sense, then it will be always in interrogative sense. You see here, given sentence did not allow is used over there, and so that only we have used there any. Why is it so? Any can be used either with the negative sense or with the interrogative sense. So that this given sentence is with the negative sense, and another thing is what? It is also with any. These 2 ideas you will keep it in your mind. This is a special variety in affirmative into negative, negative into affirmative. What thing you will keep it in your mind? Here you have to go for the opposite sense of did not allow. Indian government did not allow any Chinese app. It means what? The Indian government did not allow is equal to banned. Given is negative sense, we have to convert this negative sense into affirmative sense, but according to given tense. Given tense did not allow is equal to simple past tense, and this simple past tense we have to follow here with the another verb, because we have transferred the verb. Now we have to concentrate here on any, because now only I told that any can be either with the negative sense or it can be with the interrogative sense. Given sense is positive sense, we will not be able to use any over here. So that what we will do? For that we have added here, and that is all. The king banned all ministers to enter. Not a single minister was allowed, means all the ministers were banned. Got the idea? This is a special variety with any and with all. This you will keep it in your mind. When you are going for affirmative into negative, negative into affirmative, you will keep this in your mind with this. We'll go for the next one. Pay attention here exactly. Last time you were having the same problem and doubt in our doubt session. I was not present there with my mind. Given sense is negative, given is I was not. We will convert that into positive, it means I was. We will keep present into present. With my mind, we will go for the opposite of that one, with my physic. It means the meaning of the given sentence is equal to the same meaning. I was not present there with my mind. It means I was present there with my physic. Given sense is opposite, we have converted into same one according to rules and regulations, so that you cannot say that this sentence is wrong one. Another thing, here also you can write I was not present is equal to I was absent. I was absent there with my mind. What is wrong with that? Nothing is wrong with that. What you have done here? You have done here opposite of present to absent. And with my mind as it is. One negation you have used from was not to was. Opposite sense you have given there. And another negation, another opposite sense you have used, and that is present to absent. In this way, we have not done anything wrong over here. Next to that, all these three sentences are correct. Once again I say you, all these sentences are correct. Nothing is wrong with that. But I would like to say this sentence as the correct one. Why is it so? That also I will tell you. I was present is equal to I was not present. One negation, one opposite sense we have given there as it is. Opposite to with is equal to without. I was present there, but I was present there without my mind. That is the correct answer. All these three sentences are correct. Nothing is wrong. Why is it so? Because we have followed exact rules and regulations. We cannot deny anything. Even last one, the total target meaning of the given sentence should not be changed. That also we have followed exactly, so that all these three sentences are correct. Nothing is wrong with that. But I would prefer this is the correct, real correct answer with this. It doesn't mean that these two are wrong. These two are also correct. Next time we will move ahead with the next one. This is another special variety. Wherever this is another variety. This is a special variety, especially whenever only is used. Keep it in your mind, whenever only is used, at the time in place of only you will go always with a replacement phrase, and that is apart from. Or you can use other than. These two phrases you can use in place of only. This is the special variety in affirmative into negative, in negative into affirmative. I could find only my pens on the table. You see here, given sense is positive. This positive sense we have to convert into negative. Given is could find, that we will convert into could not find. Only is given, so that in place of only we will use either other than or apart from. My pens on the table will remain as it is. So that what can be the conversion with this? I could not find apart from my tables, apart from my pens on the table. It means I could find my pens only on the table. Or I could not find other than my pens. How far it is possible? Try to avoid this. This is my opinion. I cannot compel you. But if you will prefer this apart from, that would be the easy one structure and easy to remember. Only students enjoyed lockdown happily. Once again, only variety is given. Only students enjoyed lockdown happily. You see here, here we have used from could to could not, but here given is a simple past tense with positive sense. So that we have to go here with the negative sense. And that negative sense will be little bit technically, you have to be here attentive. Why is it so? Because only students enjoyed means apart from students, other than students, none or did not enjoy lockdown. If you will add this will do. Apart from student, other did not, here you will add other, did not enjoy, apart from students, then you will add, what you will add there? Apart from students, other did not enjoy lockdown happily. In this way, this special variety of only, you will keep it in your mind. So many times it can be there in your examination also. Pay attention over there. This will be the right answer with this. Next time whenever you are having any doubt with affirmative into negative, negative into affirmative, please bring to me. We will sit together and we will try together to solve it. Till that, bye to all. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.